Hi, welcome back to Rad Insurance Concepts. We are talking today about comprehensive and collision coverage when you have a claim and what you can expect. I want to start though with when you are creating your policy with an insurance company for the first time and you're letting them know that you wish to have comprehensive and collision coverage on your policy. They should be asking you if you have any customizations. If you're somebody who likes to put extra things on your vehicle that might cost you a few $1,000s, it would be advantageous for you to let the sales agent know at that time, I have this on my vehicle, because when you have a loss, if you haven't requested additional coverage for those items, then it's likely not going to be covered, or it's going to be covered at a very minimum limit when the value may be far exceeding what you'll be able to get. Case in point, if you have a pickup truck and you have one of those special locking covers for the back of the bed so that water can't seep through or it's not going to be corroded, it protects things that you have inside. Let's say that cost you $5,000 and your policy will give you an automatic $1,500. You have a loss, it's damaged, you're out thousands of dollars that you can't recoup because you didn't let the insurance company know that was an expectation of yours. So something to think about. So all of the policies, your policy language, which most of us don't pay attention to because it's about 58 pages worth of nothingness, all of the policies are written to cover your damages at actual cash value, unless you have asked when you took out the policy that you would like to have replacement value of your vehicle. Every insurance company is different as far as the age that they will accept to consider replacement value of your vehicle. Sometimes the vehicle can't be older than 2 years. Sometimes the vehicle can't be older than 3 years. Or the insurance company that you are taking out insurance with may not offer that coverage at all, but it is worth it to at least find out if the coverage is available. It doesn't last forever. So let's say you get a great quote, you're with a company and you're 2 to 3 years in, everything's going great. That coverage is eventually going to fall off. It's going to no longer be available to you. So that's just something to think about. It will not last forever. So actual cash value of your vehicle. What does that mean? It means that the insurance company is going to consider, in an instance of a total loss, right? Because if your vehicle is repairable, you'll just take it to the shop of your choice. It's going to be repaired and handed back to you. There's no real money changing hands through your insurance company for a vehicle that they have repaired for you. So you got a total loss, comprehensive or collision claim. The value of your vehicle is going to be considered at actual cash value. That means the value of your vehicle on the date that it is damaged. There are several different resources that the adjuster is going to look at, including the mileage and the upgrades on your vehicle, to determine the average of the value of your vehicle at the time of the loss. There is no consideration given for a loan that you may have taken out. Unfortunately, the truth of the matter is a lot of us will take a loan out on a vehicle and we don't have the ability to put down several $1,000s to buy this new vehicle, even though we can afford the monthly payments. So what winds up happening is you drive it off the lot and instantly you become upside down. And especially if you have the vehicle over 2-3 years, but your loan on the car is maybe, I don't know, 5 to 7. I think they even offer 7-year loan terms at this time for vehicles, and you still have a year or 2 or more to pay it off. You're upside down. And so what you're going to get, really, it's not going to be you. What your lien holder is going to get from the insurance company is a value that is less than your loan. And it's going to leave you with a balance that you will still be responsible for paying. It's great to get gap coverage when you're taking out a newer vehicle or a brand new vehicle if it's available. Always inquire if that's something that you can afford to add on to your loan. It will save you tons in an instance such as a total loss claim. So that's it today. We talked a little bit about additional customizations, comprehensive collision, total loss to actual cash value. I got to think about something special for us to talk about next time. I don't have any plan, but drop a comment below. If there's something that you've always wondered about, I'd be happy to answer. Thank you for joining us today. I hope to see you soon.